Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Bose Lifestyle Ultra speaker. Now, you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is $350. All right, so let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes, calm down. Okay, Bose Lifestyle Ultra speaker. Now, this is part of the Bose Lifestyle collection. As you can see, you got the Lifestyle Ultra speaker, you got the sound bar, and you got the subwoofer. Now, I did a video on a similar Bose product. I'll leave a link for it right there. That's the setup that I got in my living room. But this is the upgraded version. So let's unbox it, and then we'll go through the specs and the features. All right, Bose Lifestyle collection. See what we got here? Okay, right. Here we go, yeah. The Bose Lifestyle Ultra. Here's what you're gonna get inside. Okay, now this is gonna be your speaker. And this is gonna be the plug. Should be. Okay, so of course, you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Make sure you scan that and get the app. This is gonna be your plug. Nice thick plug. Okay, this is how the end looks. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Now let's take a look at the actual speaker and check this out. Now this is definitely an upgrade to the one that I have and direct competition for the Sonos P1s. Look at this. Bose branding on the front. Nice cloth finish. Okay, speaker on the top. Buttons. All right, touch capacitive buttons. And your plug inputs on the back. The bottom, nice rubber stoppers. That's going to keep it in place. And it does have threads, so you can put it on a stand or a mount. All right, so let's take it over to the website and check this out. Okay, so this is the Bose Lifestyle Ultra. Get ready to take every moment from the mundane to the memorable. It's powerful enough to drench any space in lush, astonishingly clear audio, and versatile enough to expand into a multi-room setup. It's the easiest way to enjoy immersive sound in any room or every room. Use one speaker solo for a powerful, enveloping sound that defies its size. Pair two together for a stereo experience so detailed you swear you're hearing a familiar sound for the first time. Use them in concert with the Lifestyle Ultra soundbar and subwoofer for dynamic surround sound. Okay, now this comes in three colors. You got driftwood sand, black, and white. Now, as far as the features, true spatial technology for immersive sound, clean bass technology for lows you could feel, Apple AirPlay and Google Cast, multi-room functionality, Alexa built in, control with swipe and touch, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, sleek premium design, fits any interior style. Okay, now there's the stand and the wall mount. Okay, anything else we need to see? Let's take a look at the specs real quick. Bluetooth version 5.3. You got the Bose app for connectivity, multi-room, stereo mode. Okay, again, pair this with the subwoofer and the soundbar and get the true surround sound. All right, so that's pretty much it. All right, so this is the Bose Lifestyle Ultra. Let's plug this in, download the app, and see what it sounds like. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, for the pairing process, real simple. Now, I usually do this part on camera, but it happened so fast, I didn't get a chance to press record. But here's what I did. I scanned the QR code and downloaded the Bose app. I plugged in the speaker, and as soon as I did, I got a pop-up on my phone that said, pair up with the Bose speaker. I hit pair, I pressed record, and I already got to the screen. So you didn't get to see the actual pairing process, but that was too fast. Okay, so very fast pairing. Now, it's going to bring you to the screen right here. What would you like to do with this speaker? Okay, we're going to set up at its own, get started, and now we'll do this part in real time. Okay, so we're going to retrieve the Wi-Fi networks. Okay, now let me enter my code real quick. Okay, now as soon as I entered my code, it said connected to Wi-Fi, and there it is. Now, this whole setup process took me less than 2 minutes. Okay, again, I usually do this live on camera, but it's happening so fast. And that's a good sign. Because if you got Sonos speakers, you know they take forever to set up. So this was a nice quick setup. All right, so now that we finished the setup process, which on a side note, took a total of about 8 minutes, okay, to set everything up, about 8 minutes, and it brings me to the screen right here. Now this is from the Bose app. So if you hit the settings wheel, get your product name, product tips. You can use this as a stereo pair. You got a fully functional EQ, so you got treble, mids, and bass, okay, and the height adjustment. You got your smart services. So I got mine set up to Amazon, but you got Google Cast also. Okay, you got a power standby timer, okay, and your technical information. Okay, so pretty simple and straightforward. So let's try it out. Alexa, what's the weather for today?
It's mostly cloudy and 56 degrees right now. Today's forecast shows a high of 67 and a low of 54, with a small 25% chance of rain during daylight hours.
Now I gotta say this. It sounds pretty good, but we gotta try it out with some music. All right, so let's do a little sound test. Now I'm gonna start off at 50% volume and the EQ is flat. Here we go.
Yo, I got a question for you. Yeah, how many times you knew I was checking for you? How many? Put it on the line, grab the weapon for you. For real, I was front line, I was repping for you. Trapper, came by myself, I was stepping for you. Trapper, turned the L to a lesson for you. Cash, turned one night to a blessing for you. You ain't think I'd do something special for you, but I wouldn't do nothing special unless it's for you. And that's the thing about it.
Okay, now I'm gonna start the song over. Let's go to maximum volume. Here we go.
Yo, I got a question for you. Yeah, how many times you knew I was checking for you? How many? Put it on the line, grab the weapon for you. For real, I was front line, I was repping for you. Trapper, came by myself, I was stepping for you. Trapper, turned the L to a lesson for you. Cash, turned one night to a blessing for you. You didn't think I'd do something special for you, but I wouldn't do nothing special unless it's for you. And that's the thing about it. And I can't sleep at night when I think about it. These niggas think they got it, but I really got it. These niggas think they profit, but I really profit. I done left the town, got it really poppin'. These niggas window shot when I'm really copping. I'm from the city where niggas be milli rockin'. I might pull up in 650s with silly options, but what's the mathematics? Would you still stick around if I ain't have cabbage? Would you come to my shows if I rapped average? Except on my flaws and my bad habits. Heal all my wounds from the backstabbers. And never be someone who will backstab me. Never. Ready for that ride in the black caddy. My son, one son, tell him ask daddy. He'll be mad happy. But I'm just trying to chill and twist the line. Catch stunts in my 745. Driving me crazy, shorty. Just wanna see you feel real. But if I post this little bitch on my close friends, you ask about it and I act like I got no sense. Spend on me, or would you spend for me? How deep is our love if that's what it takes for you to creep in the club? The shit beneath me, that's the reach from above. The old me would've reached for the glove. I'm just playing, but you know what I'm saying. But oh no, when it's over, I just hope that you stand. Because girl, if you love me now, you'll leave crazy. If you love me if I was down and out, would you still have love for me?
Now, I gotta keep it real with y'all. Listening to music from a YouTube video is not gonna do it justice. I'm sitting right in front of this speaker and it sounds amazing. Now, if one of these sound this good, imagine two of these in a stereo pair with the sound bar and the bass module. This is gonna be insane, okay? This is the upgrade I've been waiting for. All right, so let me show you the music playback controls. So you got a single press for play and pause. Okay, double press to go to the next song, triple press to go to the previous track. You can mute your microphone. So now I can say, Alexa, nothing happens. Unmute it. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 6:13 a.m.
Okay? So I like to mute my microphone, okay? And adjusting the volume,
All right. Have a great day.
you just swipe up and down to adjust the volume. Okay? So the media controls work perfectly fine. Now for music playback, you can pair this up with Bluetooth and just play any song off your phone, but you do have Apple AirPlay, Google Cast, Spotify Connect, and Alexa. Now you can use this speaker with multiple devices at the same time. Check this out. I got an iPhone right here and I'm connected to my Galaxy. So I'm going to use Apple AirPlay. Now I'm going to use this speaker in my office, so I named it Office. So let's go to AirPlay and Bluetooth devices. You see Office? Click on Office. Now let's play some music. And if you look closely, watch this. You see I'm lowering the volume and it's going down on my Galaxy and iPhone at the same time. That is pretty dope. You see? You see the Galaxy? Volume going down. Now let's see if I can control it from the Galaxy. Just like that. That is pretty dope. Now here's another dope feature. Keep in mind, you can connect this speaker through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Now I'm downstairs in my basement and I can control my smart home. Watch this. Alexa, turn the kitchen lights off. And there it is. And I'm down in the basement. This is pretty dope. Now I named this speaker Office because I'm going to set it up in my office. And one of my favorite features is built-in Amazon Alexa. So I can do stuff like this. As soon as I sit down at my desk, get on my computer, Alexa, play some Mary J. Blige.
Shuffling Mary J. Blige and similar artists on Amazon Music.
This is me typing. Alexa, stop. Woo! Y'all know what song was getting ready to play. I don't want to get a copyright strike, but you get the idea. Overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, okay? On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. Now, I wanted to get one of these first and hear how it sounds. I'm impressed, okay? I'm already impressed. Now I got to get 2. So I'm going to get a second one and form a stereo pair. And of course, I got to get the sound bar and the subwoofer. So stay tuned. I'm going to get the whole setup and do a follow-up video. But right now, okay, the Lifestyle Ultra speaker is a triple major go. That signature Bose sound, the bass is deep, clean, beautiful looking speaker, and definitely an upgrade from my last Bose speakers. Anyway, this is the Bose Lifestyle Ultra speaker. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture the road. It's your boy Flossy, man. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.